Look, laundry doesn't have to feel like a never-ending punishment. Most folks waste hours every week sorting, folding, and fighting with their washing machines when they could be doing literally anything else. Right here, right now, Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks is about to change your entire relationship with laundry day. These aren't your typical internet tips. This is about working smarter, not harder, and actually enjoying your free time again. Before we get into the good stuff, do Marcus a solid and smash that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll want these time-saving strategies in your back pocket. And if this video helps you out, hit that like button and drop a comment telling us which hack blew your mind. Your support keeps this channel running. Now, let's dive in. Laundry hack number 1. Ditch the sorting madness. Here's the truth bomb. Sorting clothes by color is outdated. That's right, throw caution to the wind and mix those colors together. Toss that blue shirt right in with those tan pants and that cream-colored blouse. As long as everything's been washed at least once before and you're using cold water, those colors aren't going anywhere. Cold water is your best friend here, folks. The only exception? Towels and bed linens. Those bad boys need hot water to eliminate bacteria and keep things truly clean. Everything else? Fair game for the mixed load approach. This one simple change cuts laundry time in half immediately. Laundry hack number 2. Supercharge your whites. Want those white towels and sheets looking brand new? Here's the secret formula. Add half a cup of baking soda to your wash cycle. Alternatively, half a cup of white vinegar works wonders too. For tough jobs, half a cup of oxygen bleach, that powdery stuff in the yellow container, will blast away dingy yellowing and leave everything impossibly soft. These natural brighteners are gentle on fabrics but tough on grime. Plus, they're way cheaper than fancy laundry additives. Your linens will thank you, and so will your wallet. Laundry hack number 3. Upgrade to wool dryer balls. Those fabric softener sheets? Total waste of money and full of chemicals nobody needs. Switch to wool dryer balls instead. These little miracles are reusable for years, and they actually work better. The biggest benefit? They prevent bedding from tangling into those annoying wet clumps. You know exactly what we're talking about, when the fitted sheet wraps around everything else and nothing dries properly. Wool balls keep everything separated and tumbling freely. Your sheets will dry faster and more evenly. And hey, if you found this tip helpful, go ahead and share this video with someone who's still buying those expensive dryer sheets. They'll appreciate it. Laundry hack number 4. The aluminum foil trick. Now, wool balls aren't perfect for static. Synthetic fabrics and certain materials still cling like crazy. But before you run back to those chemical sheets, try this. Crumple up a ball of aluminum foil about the size of a baseball and toss it in your dryer. This completely eliminates static electricity. One ball lasts up to 2 months of regular use, costs pennies, and won't damage your clothes or machine. It sounds wild, but physics don't lie. The foil discharges the static buildup naturally. Game changer. Laundry hack number 5. Individual room hampers. This strategy revolutionizes the entire laundry system. Place a separate hamper in each bedroom or bathroom. No more mixing everyone's clothes together in one massive pile. Each person's laundry stays separate from start to finish. The beauty? Wash straight from one hamper, dry the load, then carry it directly back to that specific room. No sorting needed. No mystery socks. No accidentally washing someone's delicate item on the wrong setting. Everything stays organized automatically.
Laundry hack number 6. Stackable sorting baskets. If you're dealing with a communal laundry situation and need to sort mixed loads, invest in large baskets that nest inside each other. Sit on the floor, line up 3 or 4 baskets, and just chuck clothes into the appropriate containers. This beats creating piles on the floor any day. Piles fall over, get mixed up, and generally cause chaos. Baskets stay put and make the whole process faster and more efficient. Plus, they stack when you're not using them, saving precious floor space. Laundry hack number 7. The mesh bag solution. Let's talk about that funk that develops when damp towels sit in a hamper for a few days. That musty, swampy smell that makes you want to wash everything twice. The solution? Hang a mesh laundry bag somewhere convenient in your laundry area. Anything wet or damp goes directly into this bag. The mesh allows air circulation, which prevents odor-causing bacteria from throwing a party in your hamper. Kitchen towels, washcloths, bath towels, if it's damp, it goes in the mesh bag. Problem solved. Remember to drop a comment below if you're trying any of these hacks. Marcus reads every single one and loves hearing your success stories. Laundry hack number 8, the magnetic door prop. Front-loading washing machines are notorious for developing nasty mildew smells if you close the door between uses, but leaving the door wide open means constantly bumping into it and having to stare at the rubber gasket all day. The solution? A flexible magnetic door prop. These wire gadgets hook onto the door and prop it open just enough for air circulation without the door sticking out into the walkway. The machine stays dry and fresh-smelling, and you don't lose a shin every time you walk through the laundry room. Laundry hack number 9, fabric shaving for pills. Those annoying little fabric balls that appear on sweaters and fleece, they're called pills, and you don't need to replace the garment. Grab a cheap, disposable razor and gently shave the fabric surface. Work slowly and carefully, and those pills disappear like magic. For prevention, turn clothes inside out before washing. This reduces friction on the visible surface and keeps things looking newer longer. But when pills do appear, the razor trick brings garments back to life instantly. Laundry hack number 10, smart product storage. Keeping laundry supplies accessible makes a huge difference. Don't hide everything under the sink or in a cabinet across the room. Set up a tray or small shelf right next to your machines with all your essentials. Use glass jars for powder products and proper dispensers for liquids. Everything should be grab-and-go easy. The 2 seconds it takes to walk across the room adds up to minutes of wasted time over weeks and months. Work smarter, folks. If this video is saving you time already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss Marcus's next batch of life-changing tips.
Laundry hack number 11, detergent sheets. Switch from liquid or pods to dissolvable laundry sheets. These thin sheets contain concentrated detergent that dissolves completely in the wash. Half a sheet handles a regular load. Use a full sheet for heavily soiled items. Benefits? They're significantly cheaper than brand-name pods, take up minimal storage space, and you'll never deal with messy spills or overdosing again. Keep some traditional heavy-duty detergent for really tough jobs, but for everyday washing, sheets are the way to go. Laundry hack number 12, the lint bin system. Mount a magnetic bin on the side of your dryer specifically for lint. Every time you clean the lint trap, the disposal container is right there. No walking to the trash can required. This might sound like a minor convenience, but it actually serves a bigger purpose. It reminds you to check the lint trap with every load. A full lint trap reduces dryer efficiency and creates a fire hazard. The visible bin keeps this crucial maintenance task front and center. Laundry hack number 13, the lost sock container. Never put unmatched socks in your drawer. Seriously, stop doing that. Searching for mates every morning wastes cumulative hours over a year. Instead, keep a designated lost sock bin. When a sock loses its partner, it goes in the bin, nowhere else. Once a month, dump the bin out and play the matching game. Make it a family activity. Find matches quickly, and any socks still alone after 3 months get donated or repurposed as dust rags. Pro tip: buy identical socks for each family member in different colors. That way, any 2 navy socks match, any 2 black socks match, and so on. Revolutionary. Laundry hack number 14, collapsible hampers. Short on floor space? Collapsible fabric hampers with handles are absolute game changers. When empty, they fold completely flat. Hang them on wall hooks or behind doors, and suddenly you've reclaimed all that precious floor real estate. These work beautifully in small apartments, shared spaces, or cramped laundry rooms. Plus, the handles make carrying loads much easier than wrestling with rigid plastic baskets. Laundry hack number 15, utility sink storage. Here's something most people never realize. Standard laundry room utility sinks are the exact size to hold a laundry basket perfectly. If you're not actively using that sink for heavy-duty cleaning, why not use it for storage? The basket sits snugly inside, completely out of the way, yet easily accessible when needed. It's like finding free storage space you didn't know existed. Laundry hack number 16. Delay start function. This feature exists on most modern washing machines, but barely anyone uses it. The delay start function is an absolute game changer for time management. Load the machine before bed, but set it to start a few hours later, timed so it finishes right when you wake up. No more forgetting wet clothes in the washer overnight. No more rushing to switch loads. The machine works on your schedule, not the other way around. You can also time it to finish when you get home from work or right before you start your evening routine. Use technology to make life easier, folks. Laundry hack number 17. Habit stacking for putting clothes away. Here's the real challenge with laundry, actually putting the clean stuff away. We all let baskets of clean clothes sit around for days, right? The solution is habit stacking, linking a new habit to something you already do automatically. For example, put away one load while brewing your morning coffee, or fold while watching your favorite evening show, or hang clothes while talking on the phone with a friend. The key is connecting laundry to an existing routine. 5 minutes a day, tied to something you're doing anyway, makes the task effortless. This one technique solves the procrastination problem completely. Laundry hack number 18. Group your hangers. Every time you take off a hanging garment, immediately put that empty hanger with the other empty hangers. Create one designated spot in your closet for unused hangers. When it's time to put away clean laundry, grab all the hangers at once and bring them to your clothes pile. This speeds up the hanging process dramatically. No more hunting around the closet for one hanger at a time. Everything you need is already grouped together and ready to go. Small organizational tweaks like this add up to major time savings. Laundry hack number 19. Hang from the bottom. This tip comes courtesy of anyone who's ever stretched out a t-shirt collar. When hanging clothes, insert the hanger from the bottom hem upward, not through the neck hole downward. This preserves the neckline and prevents that stretched-out, sloppy look. Takes exactly the same amount of time, but your clothes maintain their shape significantly longer. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Laundry hack number 20. Stop folding everything. Ready for the ultimate time saver? Stop folding items that don't need folding. Pajamas, workout clothes, underwear, casual loungewear. If wrinkles don't matter, don't fold it. Literally just toss these items into their designated drawer or basket. Putting away laundry suddenly takes under 2 minutes per load. Only hang or fold items where appearance matters. This single change will transform your relationship with laundry day.
The ultimate hack: declutter ruthlessly. Here's the foundation that makes everything else work. Own fewer clothes. Seriously. Go through your closet and get rid of anything that doesn't fit properly, doesn't look great on you, or doesn't make you feel confident. Less clothing means less laundry to wash, dry, and put away. It means easier decision-making in the morning. It means less clutter in your living space. It means more time and mental energy for things that actually matter. Start today. Pull out everything you haven't worn in 6 months. Be honest about what deserves space in your home. Donate the rest and watch your laundry burdens shrink immediately. There you have it. 20 practical, proven laundry hacks that actually save time and effort. These aren't complicated tricks requiring special equipment. These are simple system changes that make a real difference. Marcus wants to hear from you. Which hack are you trying first? What's your biggest laundry struggle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if someone in your life is drowning in laundry, share this video with them. Sometimes the kindest thing we can do is help someone reclaim their time. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical tips that make everyday tasks easier. Hit that like button if this video helped, and check out the other videos on the channel for more time-saving strategies.
Thanks for watching, and may your laundry baskets be forever empty and your free time abundant. Marcus will see you in the next video.